Hey y'all, good morning, good morning, good morning. As you can see, I have a big mess behind me. So y'all know, guess what? We are getting ready for our camping trip. We are going to go out and have a good time. We got two sites rented, so we're gonna take my husband and my husband's sister, and her husband is gonna go with us this time. So we are getting set up and getting ready to go. Head out to the campsite. So y'all, we added a couple of new items to this camp trip right here. We added as you can see, it is the Bouge RV fridge freezer, a 23 quart. And we also added to our stay the Big Buddy heater. So Mr. Heater. So we don't know how these actually work right now. As soon as I find out, get out there to the site, I will let y'all know what's going on with those. I don't know anything about them yet. I think Eric has worked with the heater. He put the propane in and stuff like that. So, I mean, he probably knows what's going on with that one better than what I do. And this is actually the black one. Let's see. Since I'm going to do what I need to do to it anyway, I guess I'll go ahead and show y'all. So, this is the black one. So, let me get it out. Give me just a moment. Okay, so yeah, this is the outside of it, you all. They have many different functions, as you can see. I haven't plugged it up just yet, so I can't really tell you much about it just yet or how it really works, but it's very nice. That is how it looks. And if I open up the inside, it does have this chain that holds the top. It has your different functions and settings right here, temperatures, and it's pretty deep. I hadn't put anything in it yet, but we're gonna see what it can hold, and I will get back with y'all and keep y'all posted and updated on how this work out. You don't need ice for this this fridge. You don't need the ice, and it actually comes with your two cords. It comes with this cord right here, the one that you can plug in your home and charge it. And then it also comes with the one where you can plug in your vehicle and charge it. And we're gonna see what this is all about. It's not supposed to use a lot of watts. I will get back with you all on that as well, because let's see, 45 watts. There it is right there. Look, there's your wattage. So it has all that right there for you. And yeah, I'm pretty sure y'all done seen plenty of these before, but I'm just showing y'all what we added to our camp trip. This go around. And again, the buddy, what's this, the Big Buddy? Yeah, the Big Buddy heater. And it's already, Eric has already put the propane and everything in it, so yeah. So we should be pretty warm tonight. And then I still have something else to show you all, but I will show that one later once we are set up at the campsite. It also came with this, it's carrying bag. Well, it didn't come with it. We paid for it separately. Let me change that, rephrase that. We paid for it separately. I have to show y'all how it fits. And it actually fits so on there nice for the size 23 quart. So as soon as we get it on, we'll get back with y'all and show you how it looks set up, all set up. Okay, y'all, I told y'all I would come back and let y'all see how this, actually we have it on 30 because y'all know we are out camping and we are using, guess what, their electricity. So we have it on 30. And as you can see, this thing is doing its job. This is actually ice, y'all. This is ice. So this thing is doing its job. And I have my grapes right here. Frozen grapes are good. So I have my grapes. And we have our strawberries. Now, I really didn't mean to freeze the strawberries, but now they are probably halfway froze. And we have our little caramel apples and some ice. The good reveal, y'all. That's what I wanted to show y'all. My new addition. That's Nelly. Nelly is 9 weeks. Nelly has been vaccinated. First time. So we've been taking good care of him. Make sure he be in the inside of the tent. Just come out to use it. But that is Nelly. That's Nelly. Hey, Nelly. Yeah, but this weather right here, y'all, it is so, it feels so good out here. So good. I see why they say fall camping. It's the best kind of camping. Really, really good. Really good. Kind of busy out here today too. Usually when we come, it don't really be nobody on this street, but maybe about 3 of us. Now everybody, I guess this is really camping season. Everybody be out. Yeah, I love it. Nelly. Nelly. No. 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 Nelly. I'm sorry, y'all. You chewing up my foot. Lord have mercy.
I ain't gonna pay you. Go on, boy.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey y'all. It is now morning and it is time for us. It is actually Sunday morning and it is time for us to get up and read us a little word and get ready to get out of here. Get packed up and get out of here. It's been fun. It's been real fun. So when we get packed up and everything, I will get back with y'all. Y'all remember when y'all camp? Leave that campsite exactly how you found it.